Okay, next concept is difference of sets. The difference of two sets A and B means the set of elements which belong to A but not to B. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು A ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಖಾಲಿ A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ which belong to set A only but not belong to B. We can write symbolically like this: A minus B. A minus B. A minus B means it contains set of all x such that x belongs to A but x does not belong to B. ನೀವು ಬರೆದಂತ x A ಗೆ ಸೇರಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ B ಗೆ ಸೇರಿರಬಾರ್ದು. A minus B and B minus A are not same. Okay, sometime they may be same but they are not same always. Now let A is 1 2 3 4 5 elements, B is 1 2 3. Now I will write A minus B. A minus B means the elements belong to set A but they are not belongs to B. 1 2 3 4 5. In that 1 2 3 these elements belong to set B also. ಇದು set B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ A minus B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ 4 5 ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳಿತದೆ. Similarly, B minus A. B contains 1 2 3. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಟು ಎ. 1 2 3 ದಿಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಟು ಎ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ. ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಬರೆದಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 4 5 ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಸೆಟ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೀಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, now okay, look at the problem. Simple problem. Set A, set B, set C and set D. D is 5 10 15 and 20. Okay, 20. Now find A minus B. A minus B. A minus B. The elements belong to A only, not B. 3 6 9 12 15 18 21. These elements present in A. ಆದರೆ B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿರಬಾರ್ದು ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ 12. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 15. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. 18 21 ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ 12 ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ B ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ರೈಟ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್. Next A minus A. In that 3 6 9 12 15 18 21. In that look at set C. Here 3 does not belong to set C. A minus C ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 3 does not belong to set C. Okay, no problem. 6 belongs to set C also, therefore don't write that one. 9 is present in set A only. After that 12 present in set C also, don't write. 15 present in set A only. Next 18 ಅನ್ನೋದು set A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ 21 does not belong to set C, therefore this is A minus C. Next A minus D. A D 3 you should write the elements present in A only, not D. D ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. 3 A elements D ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, therefore write 3. Next 6 9 12 they are not present in set D. 3 6 9 12. After that 15 present in set D also, don't write it. Next 18 21 are not present in set D. Next B minus A. B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. B minus A. 4 present in B only, not present in A. Similarly 8 present in set B only, not A. 4 8. C minus A means you should write set of elements present in C only but not in A. C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಬೇಕು, A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. Okay, look at the elements. 2 present in C. 2 does not belong to A, therefore write 2. Next 4 A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Next 6 belongs to A also, therefore not possible to write 6. After that 8 10. 8, 10 are not present in set A. 8 and 10. Next 12. 12 is present in set A also, don't write it. 14 is present in set C only, not in A. A allillad. Hage 16 is present in set C only, not in A. 14 and 16, okay. Similarly, you can write the, you can solve the remaining. While writing, take care about each element while writing, okay. You do the remaining one yourself. Next concept is disjoint sets. Disjoint sets means if two sets A and B are called disjoints if they do not have the same elements, means their intersection is empty set. You know that intersection of two sets means you should write the common elements present in A as well as B. ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಟಿನ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೆಯುವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ you will get empty set. Therefore, the two sets are called in that case disjoint sets. It means if A intersection B is equal to 5, then we call that sets are disjoint sets. Okay, now look at the problem. Which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? First one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second set of all x such that x is the natural number and x lies between 4 to 6. Better you write both the sets in roster form. First set is 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection. Second set of all x is a natural number as well as it is greater than or equal to 4 anta ide. 4, 5. Next equal to 6, less than or equal to 6. Now look at their intersection is equal to common elements. 4 is common here. Therefore, this is not equal to 5. Empty set barta illa. Therefore, they are not disjoint. Therefore, they are not disjoint. Next one, AEIOU, CDEF. Now take the intersection AEIOU, first set, intersection CDEF. Now common elements, E is common. This is not equal to 5. Empty set are like. Therefore, they are not disjoints. Next one, set of all x such that x is an even integer, means 2, you know that in even integers 2, 4, 6. Similarly 0, -2, -4 like that. Positive integer antene helilla. Hage next one is odd integer 1, 3, 5 like that. -1, -3, 5. And here no need to find their intersection. ಇದರ intersection ಅನ್ನು separate ಆಗಿ ನೋಡುವ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, because even numbers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ, odd numbers ಬೇರೆ. Therefore, their intersection is equal to empty set. ಇದರ intersection ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you will get empty set only. Set of all x such that x is an even integer. Intersection. Set of all x such that x is an odd integer is equal to 5. Therefore, they are disjoints. And these problems, set x and set y are given. Find x minus y, y minus x, as well as x intersection y. You do it later. Next one, if R is the set of real numbers and Q is set of rational numbers, then what is R minus Q? R minus Q. R means set of all real numbers. Q is set of rational numbers. You know that real numbers means it contains rational numbers as well as real numbers contains ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯೂ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ set of irrational numbers.